Hi, my name is Mitisha. My experience with online selling was not quite great. I didn't quite enjoy it. So I tried selling my old TV on a website once and it didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to. So first you have to post an ad and then you have to negotiate the price if someone wants to buy it and then you have to fix a meeting place. I didn't quite enjoy it that much. That's why I was a little skeptical when I had to sell my own phones. Like I wasn't sure if I should do it. So when I heard about Cashify, I was a little reluctant at first, like I didn't know how it would work out. But when I checked out their app, it was so smooth. The process was easy, the concept seemed unique and fresh, and on top of it, I was instantly able to sell my phones within 2 days, and I didn't have to go anywhere. So I was like very happy about that. So I think Cashify is a great option if you want to sell your phones, and it's easy, there's no hassle, and you can also get great prices for it.